Hello everyone, my name is Sakari Kabalu. I'm studying at USP Emalus Campus in Vanuatu. And welcome to my PS 107 oral presentation, which is tourism in the South Pacific. The topic that has been given for this oral presentation is country profile, key sectors that driving the economy, tourism sector and its contribution, and the brief about the aviation sector, in which I have been chosen Vanuatu as a country to work on. Here is my content. I have some main points here to be covered in this oral presentation. My first slide here is my introduction, which is I just went through it. Second slide is my table of content. It's right here, as you can see, with 11 slides. Number 3 slide is the country profile, which is Vanuatu country profile, and I will be cover geography, climate, and overview of the country Vanuatu. Slide 4 is also a part of country profile, Vanuatu country profile, which is I will be cover political overview and bilateral relation. Slide 5 is the main point that I will be focused on, which is Vanuatu country's key sectors that driving the economics. Agricultural sector is the main sector that driving the economic of Vanuatu. Slide 6 is fishing sector. Slide 7 is tourism sector and its contribution to the economic of Vanuatu. Slide 8, it is a graph that shows the percentage of tourism tourism expenditure in many ways or other activities in the country. Slide 9 is also a figure that shows the tourism arrival in the Vanuatu as a source of market. Slide 10 is brief about the aviation sector, and finally my conclusion. This is country profile Vanuatu. Vanuatu is an Atlantic country of 83 islands with 6 provinces. There are also 3 major languages spoken in Vanuatu, which are Bislama, English and French, in which there are only 2 that use as an official languages. They are English and French. There are lots of people living here in Vanuatu. As result from 2017, the total population of Vanuatu is about 281,000. More and more people living in Vanuatu in the rural areas, and they rely on the agriculture as their main income in Vanuatu. Also, the temperature of Vanuatu is 22 degrees Celsius, and is reaching from 20 to 27 degrees Celsius. The climate of Vanuatu is tropical and maritime, very wet in the north and less humid in the south. There is also a few about the political overview in Vanuatu as part of the Vanuatu profile. Vanuatu has 52 members of parliament, which voted to parliament for 4 years term. The president of Republic of Vanuatu, who is known as the head of state of Vanuatu, and is elected for a 5 years term. Bilateral relation is also important in all Pacific Island countries, and here is Vanuatu Australia is close relationship with Vanuatu, and Australia is provide more or majority of its tourists to Vanuatu and provide also help and aid in the country. This is a main point that I will be covering here. Is about the Vanuatu key sectors. The key sectors in Vanuatu that are driving the economy of the country are agriculture, tourism, fishing, offshore financial services, and aviation sector. In which I will be cover agriculture sector, tourism sector, fishing sector, and brief about the aviation sector. Here is agriculture sector. Existence agriculture in the main economy sector in the country. As I have been said that agriculture is the main sector that most people living in Vanuatu, mostly in the rural area, are rely upon the agriculture sector. The agriculture sector accounts for more than 75% of the export of export, of which the most important agriculture product is copra. This includes cocoa and squash are the main cash product or crops. Include the production of beef, timber, cocoa, and also kava is also important. The people export this product to earn income for their living. Here is fishing sector. In here will be covered two type of fishing, that different type of fishing that practicing here in Vanuatu. The fishing industry exploit country's marine resources through the offshore commercial and artisanal substance fishery. This is both of fisheries makes a great contribution to the countries. As you can see here, the offshore commercial contribution contribute to the European economic and target several species. For example, tuna and deep water. However, as you can see here, the substance fishery are mostly happening at the rural area, and Vanuatu fishing sector is contribute only 1% to the GDP of Vanuatu, which is gross domestic product. Also, a tourism sector here and its contribution. Here's two main points here that I will be covered. It's about tourism and the urban economy, and tourism and the rural economy. Vanuatu is known for its unique island geography, relative origin, export industry, and also could protect for employment and grow in the future. As we know, Vanuatu is rely also in the tourism sector, and tourism sector is helping people and contribute to the economy of Vanuatu through the employment and also its contribution to the GDP of Vanuatu. As you can see here, tourism and the urban area or urban economic. The economic activity of tourism mostly concentrated in the Port Vila. That a lot of things happening in Port Vila, a lot of activities that tourism can discover. The urban economy is the largest recipient of tourism. Most tourism are coming in Vanuatu to visit Port Vila, because there are lots of activities here, and more people are finally find job through tourism sector. For example, they find employment in the hotels, as there are more than 50 hotels here in Vanuatu, in which there are so many people that work in these hotels, and this is how tourism contribute to the economy of Vanuatu. Tourism and the rural economy, as we know, Vanuatu rural economy does not have the infrastructure through which that they can they can travel to the remote areas or outer island to discover what matters. As you can see here, there are few tourism that visit or few tourism that rural area receive them in the rural area. However, rural tourism and the rural economy provide many of the natural, cultural, and landscape that draw tourists to Vanuatu in the first place. For example, here in Vanuatu, in the island of Jana, we have Yasur volcano that attract more tourists to visit a volcano. And when tourists come in, even though if the infrastructure is not good enough, but the tourists afford to visit what matters in the outer islands. As you can see here, percent of total tourism expenditure. Many activities and accommodations that happening here in Vanuatu. We have all of this. Accommodation is about 40% of tourism. Local and duty-free shopping. When tourists come for shopping and for duty-free is really cheap. And the meals and drinks in the bar or whatever, tours and activities. There are also zipline, for example. There are many activities that tourists can do here. It's about 15%. Transportation is covered 10% of tourism. There are so many drivers here, taxi driver, buses that take tourists for the tours or visit some places that attract tourists. And entertainment, etc. It's also a tourist arrival in Vanuatu by source of market. We have Australia, New Zealand, USA, Europe, China, Japan, and also Pacific Island countries. As you can see here in Vanuatu, many from New Caledonia coming here for shopping. It just happening few days ago. Many tourists from New Caledonia came here to participate in the celebration anniversary for Vanuatu as Independence Day. So here, aviation sector, which I'm gonna go over really quickly, about the aviation sector. We have domestic air travel and the flight charters. In Vanuatu, we have main air travel as Air Vanuatu, and there are also air charters that tourists can quickly visit some places or some remote places or around Vanuatu. A helicopter transport here also in Vanuatu that tourists can make it possible for tourists that they can visit all the attractive activities that happening here in Vanuatu. This is my conclusion. To conclude, tourism is the main key sectors that contribute to the economy of Vanuatu in terms of GDP and employment. However, tourism can cause negative impact in the country, as it's happening here in Vanuatu. For example, apart from environments, and many communities that happening, tourists can post many negative impact in the country. And this is all about my presentation. Thank you for listening and thank you for your attention.